Hello guys, and welcome back to Jenny's crypto class. In this video I'm going to present Azen Hub Airdrop, how you can actually earn $Azen Airdrop rewards. And one good thing about this project is that they have raised 55 million funding, so that is huge. And good thing again is that this particular airdrop is going to be listed in Q2. Q2 is this May or June, so make sure you start mining Azen Airdrop. So work with me. I'm going to show you how to get started. You need to download the app. Once you use my referral link, download the app, then this is the interface. Now here is how you earn. So over here we have three sessions. We have the Zin Have Rush, we have the end session, and we have the TGE pad. So these three places are the three categories in this particular DEPIN project. So let's type on this first one, the Zen Have Rush. Tap on it. So this is where you do tasks every day. You come back here to open the mystery box. So what you have to do right here is just to click on these three mystery box. Tap on them one after the other, and you are going to win a reward for the day. Once you open the three mystery box, you are going to get something. Now let me tap on the first one. 999.5 USDT. This is optional, so we are going to leave this particular one. Before it was free. You come here, you tap on it, and you earn something. Now let's go back, click on the end. So this is the end session, whereby you have the daily check-in, the social file, the mining, staking, the AI, the network, the invite, the commission. So everything is on this particular end session. Now for us to earn daily, what you have to do is to click on the earning right here. Click on the earning right here. That is where we are going to do the daily check-in, the tasks, and also to earn more points. You can see daily check-in. You are going to come here every day to check in and earn something. Congrats, I've gotten 10 points plus 1 present. Now click on open mystery quest. Okay, this is where I will open the mystery quest. Oh, now I understand. So you click on open mystery quest. So that is it. Okay, I've gotten 1596 Zen Zen. So click on check-in. So look at it, I've gotten the mystery quest. So if you go back, you see that my account has increased. Now once you log in and put in your email, log in with your email, you are going to earn 100 points. So click on claim. Congrats. So the next thing to do right here is you need to link your S account, and you also need to join Azen announcement. Once you do all this, you are going to earn points. Now to link my S account, I'll just simply click on this link. Now log in with S Auto. Tap on it, then you click on S. I need to authorize the app. Click on authorize app, give it time. Open link using what? Using Chrome. So I used Chrome to open I used Chrome to open it, and it failed. So I have to start afresh and now use Mexc browser. Once you use your Mexc browser, you are going to get it right now. Can you see they said link success? Click. So right now I have linked my account. So you need to claim the 5,000. So okay, click on okay. Now the next point is to join the announcement. Do that at your own leisure time. So every day make sure you come back here to earn points. You can also see train AI agent. You can do it to win points. So you come over to your wallet right here. So this is my wallet. You need to open your wallet. If you have any NFT, if you win any NFT, it's going to appear here. This is for the wallet. So right now, if you go to the referrals, this is where you find your referral link. Copy your referral link and share with people. Once people use your referral link, you're going to earn commission. And the extra bonus is the daily check-in, which we have done. And these are the things that I have done. The S account, I've gotten this, and the sign up bonus. So if you go back to home, this is the home page. So make sure that you start mining immediately. This airdrop is going to be listed in Q2. Over here you can now see TGE pad. This is where you can now link your wallet. We have Gate.io, we have Bybit, we have OKX, we have Mexc. These are the 3 exchanges. Whichever one you are going to use, you need to copy your wallet address and your UID. I will make a video about that, how to connect your wallet. Most important thing right now is to do the earn session, earn your points, participate in any activities here so that you can accumulate many points before the listing. Now make sure you invite your friends to earn more points. So if you have not started, link in the video description. Do where to start immediately. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.